You know, these strange noises have been heard all over the world in many different locations. If we hear this sound, should we run for cover? Is there something more malicious to these things that are happening around the world, or is it just our imagination? It's very hard to dismiss these things that are happening, these strange sounds that are coming out of the sky. Are they a warning to the people, the inhabitants of the earth, or is it just a coincidence that this is happening all over the world? What I wanted to do was to show you where it's all happening, but most importantly what we should be doing when we're looking at these things actually playing out. If it's your first time here, you're very welcome. Remember guys, hit that like button and get this out to as many as possible. But have a listen to this first. Couple of clips, have a listen.
People have been recording strange noises like this one in Kiev for some time now. Videos filmed all over the world have appeared on YouTube, the first in summer last year.
Oh, this is it. Maybe what, 2012? It was 2013. It's not an animal, is it? Hang on.
These sounds have been going on since 2011 onwards, but there's even more that's happening now closer to home. This next one you'll see happened in Israel also, and in Canada. Have a look at this.
מאיפה זה מגיע? תקשיב. צלם מלמטה.
Feel that? Did you feel that?
These sounds are so strange. They've actually happened here in Ireland also. What do we make of these strange sounds? Many will say that the 7 trumpets of Revelation, they are preparing for the judgments of God. In my honest opinion, I don't think that they're actually the 7 trumpets of Revelation. But what I believe is going to happen from this is that as these things start to escalate, you know, the evil plan of the enemy and his minions, he would use everything he can to cause fear and havoc. And there's going to be an end time deception that will all tie in together to bring in the beast kingdom. And I believe that all these strange sounds are all going to sum up to what's been happening lately, which is the whole UFO disclosure. And I believe this tied in with the Blue Beam project, which a lot of you might know of, will be used in order to create chaos. What better way to tie the world together, get the world to come to unite under one banner, and than to have a common enemy, which could be potentially these so-called aliens that they talk about. But you know, those of us that study scripture and study prophecy know that these aren't just your general UFOs, ET phone home, but these are interdimensional, what we would call entities or demons. And these will be used in the times that lead up to Christ's return. And I believe we should be watching out for these things happening. They're not the 7 trumpets of Revelation, but I truly believe that these will be used in order to deceive many people. Yes, I found it interesting and almost ominous hearing these type of sounds, but remember, the enemy is going to use every piece of arsenal he can to deceive many, to turn them away. These are truly the times of the end times. We're in the end of the end times, and I truly believe in my heart that Jesus is coming very soon. Remember guys, God is always in control. Keep the faith.